Hey folks, happy end of October, happy Halloween. So folks, what's going on in the Calgary real estate market? What's going on in the Canada real estate market? Some concern, interest rates are increasing. Lots of people are having questions around snowman, my first snowman of the year. Around what's going on. So really Calgary is quite safe in terms of what's going on here. Oil and gas, a lot of immigration from BC and Ontario. Prices seem to be, and sales way down in major centers like in places like BC and Ontario, unlike Calgary. Currently our sales are up 13% year to date. Our average price is up 5%, median price is up 7%. 29 days is the average days in the market. Market's looking good. If we can help reach out, we'd love to. Thanks so much for tuning in.